Hi everyone. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a OneNote notebook that you'll be using to store your student data. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you're on the school's website. Once there, scroll down and click on Students Resources. Scroll down again, and from the choices displayed, find the one that says Office 365 and click on it. Some of you may need to log in, so do so now. Remember to log in using your email and then your password. On the screen displayed, you'll soon see the options that we have in Office 365. Find the one that says OneDrive and click on it. Near the top of the screen that's displayed next, you'll see the choice that says New. Click there now. From the menu of options displayed, find the one that says OneNote Notebook and click there now. We're going to name this notebook using your first name, your last name, and then the words Student Data. If you could, please capitalize the first letter of each word. This will make all of our notebooks consistently named. Once you've typed in your first and last names and the word Student Data, click Create. Soon your notebook will be displayed and we're ready to make some changes on it. The first change we're going to make is the name of our first section. Right now it's Untitled. So position your mouse on top of the words that say Untitled Section and right-click. On the menu displayed, choose Rename. Erase what's there. And the name of this section is going to be Notebook Purpose. Once you've typed in the words Notebook Purpose, click OK. Now it's time to name the page that's in this section. Notice your cursor is blinking in the white section above this line. Anything that you type in on this line is also going to appear on the untitled page area here as well. Let's see this by typing in the word Purpose. Notice the word Purpose also appears here in the title of the page area on the left. Once you've typed in the word Purpose, press Enter. That'll put your cursor in the white area below the line, and this is where we're going to put our information to describe the purpose of this notebook. Now, you've recently gotten an email from Mrs. Van Kirk that includes all the information that we're going to put on these pages in our notebook. Let's go to your email now. Here's how. At the top of your screen, we're going to go back to our Microsoft Office Tools, which is the second tab near the top. Click on there now. You'll see that row of choices that you'd seen earlier. This time, though, we're going to go with the first one that says Outlook. Please click there now. Soon your email is open, and you'll want to find the email from Mrs. Van Kirk that says something about student notebook creation. Double-click on it to open up that email. Soon you'll see pictures, 3 different pictures of the things that we're going to be putting into your notebook, as well as a document that you'll be using later on. For now, you want to find the one that's kind of blue and has the words Purpose Driven, and you'll see the name of it here is Notebook Purpose. Double-click on that now by clicking twice. It'll open up that file. Position your mouse anywhere on this picture and right-click. This is going to display a menu. On my screen, I'm going to choose Copy Image. You'll either see that or just the word Copy. Either way, click that now. Either Copy Image or Copy. You can close this box if it appeared like mine did. We're going to go back to our notebook now. At the top of your screen, you'll see the purple N for that tab. Click on that notebook. And again, making sure your cursor is in the white area, on your keyboard, hold down Control, and press V for paste. After a couple of seconds, your picture will be displayed, and if you wish to do so, click on it, grab a hold of the corner down here in the lower right, click and hold down, and make this thing a little bigger so you're able to read it better. Now it's time for the next section. We are done with our purpose. At the bottom left of your screen, you'll see the option that says Plus Section. That's to add a new section. We're going to do that now, so click on this section word. The name of this section is going to be called Goal Sheet. Once you've typed in the words Goal Sheet, click OK. Now the title of this page, let's say it's called Goal Sheet Data. Type in Goal Sheet Data and then press Enter. Now it's time to go back to that email to get the image that's going to be used for this page. At the top of your screen, find your email tab and click on it. From the 3 pictures that are still here on your screen, find the one that says the word goals, and it says Goal Sheets Info for the title, and double click on it. Position your mouse anywhere on this picture for our goals and right click. And again, either choose Copy Image like mine or the word Copy on your screen now. We can just come right up to the top of our screen and click back on our Notebook tab. And once again, on the keyboard, hold down Control and press V. After a moment, the picture for this page will be displayed, and once again, if you want to make it bigger, go right ahead. We are done with this sheet, or this section. Let's create a new one. Once again, in the lower left-hand corner, click on Plus Section. This time, we're going to start our Artifacts sections. This one will be ELA, Artifacts. Once you've typed in ELA Artifacts, click OK. The title for this page in our ELA Artifacts is going to be Directions for Data Entry. Once you've typed in Directions for Data Entry, press Enter. Now it's time to go back to our email and get the image that we need for this page. So at the top of our screen, click on our Mail tab, and on the right side of the screen, find the image that says Directions of Data, and the whole thing is going to be Directions of Data Entry information. It's the one that has the word data in the top corner of it. Double click on that one now. Position your cursor anywhere on the image and right click. And again, either choose Copy Image or Copy. Once again, up at the top of our screen, click on the Notebook tab. And once again, on our keyboards, hold down Control and press V. Once the image is displayed, you can once again make this one larger so you're able to read it. Now, check out this information that's on this tab. This gives you pointers on how to name your artifacts as you put them into your notebook. Notice this one is for grade 8 students, so if you're in 8th grade, this is perfect for you. Now, if you're in 6th grade, it'll make sense too. It's just that these notebooks may be used for several years, so you want to make sure you're naming them with the year that you're currently in. So if you're in 6th grade, you would put in grade 6 and then the name of that artifact. Always put your grade first, so then over the years you'll be able to stay organized easier. Alrighty, you're done with this artifacts page. We're going to create our next artifacts section. So click on Plus Section. And this one's going to be our math artifacts. Type in Math Artifacts now. And when you're done typing it in, click OK. Now for now, we're not going to bother putting in the directions for data entry. Once we're done with all of our sections, we're going to go back to the ELA artifacts and copy the one from there and paste it onto these other artifact sections. So let's get those sections created now. Once again, in the lower left, click on plus section. In the next one, let's name it Science Artifacts. Once you've typed in Science Artifacts, click OK. Once again, in the lower left-hand corner, click on Section. This one is going to be called Social Studies Artifacts. Once you've typed in Social Studies Artifacts, click OK. We have one more. One more time, click on plus section. This one's going to be called Related Arts Artifacts. Once you've typed in Related Arts Artifacts, click OK. Once you're done with these, we're going to go back up to the ELA artifacts, click on it, and this is going to display our directions for data entry that we want to copy into the other 4 artifacts folders or sections. In order to do so, in the page area here in between the 2 sections, position your mouse on the option or on the title for directions for data entry and right click with your mouse. At the top of the menu, click on Copy. Come down to Math Artifacts. Position your cursor underneath Untitled Page and right-click and choose Paste. If you want to at this point in time, I would grab a hold of this directions for data entry by clicking and holding down and dragging it up so it's above your untitled page. I would keep your untitled page there so then you're ready for your first artifact to be placed into your notebook. If you want to click back up on directions for data entry, you'll see that that information came over when you pasted it from your ELA. Let's do the same thing for science. Click on Science Artifacts. Position your mouse underneath Untitled Page and right-click. Click Paste. And once again, click and hold down and drag it up above Untitled Page. Let's do the same thing for Social Studies. Position your mouse underneath Untitled Page again and right-click and choose Paste. Click and drag it up to put it first. Come over to your Related Arts Artifacts. Click there. Once again, right-click below Untitled Page and choose Paste. And once again, click and hold down and drag it up. Alrighty, everyone. That is it for your notebook creation. We all look forward to seeing all of the artifacts and goal sheets that you will soon have in your notebook. Thanks, everyone.